This method can be an effective tool for uncovering the adaptability of humans to a novel environment in the auditory domain. The main advantage of this technique is that long-term adaptation to precise left-right reversed audition can be tested in a wearable manner in combination with neuroimaging. Demonstrating the procedure will be Takayuki Hoshino, a grad student from my laboratory.
To begin, prepare the linear pulse code modulation recorder, binaural microphones, and binaural in-ear earphones. First, cross-connect the left and right lines of the microphones to the recorder so that left-right reversed analog sound signals are digitalized. Then, connect the left and right lines of the earphones straight through to the recorder so that the reversed digitalized signals are played immediately. Finally, put the bodies of the microphones in the earphones together for each ear with slight isolation by soundproofing materials. Then cover the microphones with dedicated windscreens for suppressing any wind noise. Next, insert rechargeable batteries and a large-capacity high-speed memory card into the recorder and turn it on. Then place the body of the system into a pocket-sized bag. Instruct the participant to insert the earphones tightly into the ear canals. Then, disconnect the lines for the left and right microphones and connect the dominant ear side of the microphone straight through to the recorder. Now, have them repetitively take off and put on the dominant ear side of the system while adjusting the sound volume of the recorder. This makes the subjective loudness of the reversed sounds equal.